In this video, we're going to look at how we create categories and how the PIM handles categories. So if we sort of just go down to the menu, you can see that we've got, categories, category lists. There are two ways of viewing categories in this. One is, a traditional list form. It just gives you the parent, those nested categories that go other subcategories, type relationships. You can go down as many areas, as many levels as you want. We don't really recommend that, more for reporting purposes and the like. Equally, you could configure it to just show how many products sit within these, and do such things as this. You've got multiple selects, you've got search categories. So if I just wanted to look at cleaning, I could just look at the cleaning set. I could select certain items, export them, do various things. But also, I might want to have a look at this as a tree view. So in this instance, I'm looking at a tree. I can open up to see what's underneath. If I click on them, I can immediately start to link the products, go into the products from here, that are associated with these areas. So, I can start to build up my prime category lists. And these are what we call main categories. Categories are used for reporting purposes, and various other things. So I'm going to show you in this video how to actually create these category trees and then assign products to them. So what I've got, I'm going to go over to my demo area in a minute, and effectively I'm going to create, these items here. So, we can see how they're used in the system. So if I go over to my level here, I'm going back to my category list. I've got a button here, which is add a product category. So the first thing that I'm, in a very simple screen. So effectively, I'm going to sort of, as I don't have pharmaceuticals, I'm going to add that as a name. This bit here is we'll come on to, but effectively, I can associate this with, different product category bars. These are, if I go back to my demo area, these are these things here, that you've configured in, that you want this product category to have these particular attributes or fields filled in by your core information, your marketing department, your purchasing department, and so on. We've covered this in the product configuration bar section. But you associate these with these, which give us an idea of where items are missing within that. But so I'm just going to leave this as the default area. I could select one, but effectively I'm just going to leave this so the default's cut through. There's no parent category because it's the top level. So just save and new, and effectively what I'm going to do now is create the second level, which is this capsules and tablets. In this instance, just give it the parent, add another one, which is adding the next level to this one. And in this instance, I'm doing anti-inflammatories as that third level. And then if I go down that list, go back to add a product category, just want to add anxiety drugs, but this needs to be going under the capsules and tablet section. So capsules and tablets, and then I'll just add another level here as well. So you can see you could equally have just imported these directly into it, when we start to actually list. So this we need to go to pharmaceuticals because that's the next level up. So you can see I'm just typing in a few letters to do this. And just to finish this off, we'll just go to immune globulin. Just that one there. So as we go on, what we should have is, if I go back to our category tree, just go back to our categories, just have a look at pharmaceuticals. So there's our farm. It's obviously got no products associated with it. But as you can see, I've just created the products here. The next thing I'm going to do in the next video is show you how you associate products with pharmaceuticals, this pharmaceutical categories. But hopefully you see that as quite a simple task in creating product categories.